Hello, welcome to Applied Logistics. The purpose of this course is to provide students with an introduction to logistics engineering with emphasis on practical applications, including systems engineering, supply chain, cost effectiveness, reliability, maintainability, systems functional analysis, logistics support analysis, and life cycle cost analysis. The course will include the planning, implementation, and control of logistics within the organization. With the global nature of goods and services, logistics extends over the supply chain of partners from supplier of supplier all the way to the end user. People, material, information, and transactions will be involved between the partners of the supply chain, composing a huge logistics system. It is of a great value to be able to manage logistics within the supply chain. My name is Professor Yusuf and I will be your instructor for this course. Please feel free to contact me via email through virtual office hours using Skype or Microsoft Teams or Skype for Business or through phone. Please take the time to view, read, and understand all provided material. 99% of your questions are addressed in the syllabus and the documents that are provided under course information and in the announcement. But if you still have any questions, please feel free to ask. My office hours are posted under the announcements tab through the online learning system and in the syllabus. For easy access to the course material, I created a link within the welcome announcement. Click here to start, which will take you to the welcome lecture or to the course content. Textbook is Logistics Engineering and Management, 6th edition by Benjamin Blanchard. The textbook you can use that, but it's not required. References that can be used for this course is the Introduction to Logistics Engineering, the 1st edition by Taylor Dunn, and Supply Chain Logistics Management, 5th edition, Bowersox, Claus and Cooper. Those two books are good as references for the course material. The course is online, so all course material will be available for you through the online learning system. Your homepage will display the different courses where you can click on your course of interest to access course information. I suggest that you navigate through the different tabs to familiarize yourself with the course organization. In addition, I would suggest that you log in at least once every day or every 24 hours to stay current with the course requirements and changes. For easy access, all course material including assignments, discussions, quizzes, presentations, lectures, and supplemental material have been posted under the course content tab through different modules. So you don't have to go through the tabs. It's all under course content. Everything is arranged in modules that will be released on a weekly basis as the semester progresses. You need to access your online courses daily to see the updates or the changes that might happen in these modules or anything that's been released. In addition, you can see the due dates on the side, so you will know what will be due for the week or for that day. The syllabus quiz is due for the first week and should be completed during that week, so make sure to complete the syllabus quiz. Failing to complete the quiz could lead to purging from the course and you will not be able to view the course material. And again, this is an icebreaker that will show the interaction of students with the online course. So you have a week to interact, you have a week to complete the syllabus quiz. Please do so, otherwise I will know that you are not participating or you are not interested in completing the course, and that's why the administration will purge you from the class if you were not active in that class. All students are required to complete a weekly discussion which should be due by Sunday of each week. Make every attempt to post your initial response by the middle of the module week and respond to at least one of your peers' posting by the end of that week. The first week will not include a discussion. Now remember that we have the syllabus quiz. So the syllabus quiz is for participation. It's the icebreaker. It's for participation. I will know that you are participating online and you are in the class. So don't worry about the first week. The discussion posting will begin from week 2. The weekly discussion is to answer 3 questions posted and reply to at least one of your classmates' posts before the end of the submission period. Just answer the questions. But the questions should be answered after reviewing the material. So review the material first, answer the questions, and answer it in a format or the form of questions and answers. If you have a question, you can ask. If you don't have a question about the material, you can say none at the moment and continue with the course material. As I stated, it's required to complete this weekly activity, the discussion activity, and you will not be able to view the next module material if you did not complete that activity. Use the provided channels to communicate with the instructor. The more communication you have with the instructor, the better understanding of the course material. Email messages should have the subject as the name of the course and the problem you have. Use professional language and professional words when writing your email. The virtual office hours, as I stated before, can be through Skype. You can communicate through Skype for Business or the regular Skype. If you are using the regular Skype, you can add me as your one of your contacts, Professor.Youssef. That's my ID, Professor.Youssef. So add me as one of your contacts and then you can communicate with me through the regular Skype. If you are using Skype for Business or you're using Microsoft Teams, then you can use my Daytona State College email to add me to your list of contacts. If you don't have Microsoft on your machine, you can, if you have a Mac machine, still you can create an account with Microsoft and add Skype for Business and add Microsoft Teams. With Skype and Teams, you can share screen, you can share documents, you can ask questions as needed. You can use the voice only, you can use a voice and video together. Assignment submission should be through the online learning system. Do not email me any assignment unless you've been asked to do so. Late assignment submission will not be accepted. Use the format of the following naming format for each assignment. You have to have the assignment number underscore the course number underscore your last name. So for example, we have A1, that's assignment number, underscore 4205, that's the course number, and then your last name at the end of the file naming format. Points will be deducted if you don't use this format. In addition, you need to add your name and email address in, at the top of each page in your submission in Microsoft Word. You can submit assignment both in Microsoft Word or PDF. That will be fine with me. There will be 2 exams through the whole semester, midterm and a final. Both exams will have 50 questions, true, false, and multiple choice questions with 2 points each. The final will include all chapters within the course material. It's very important to work and submit all course activities. Having high grades in the exam does not mean that you will pass the course or you will have a good grade in the course. All activities are designed to complement each other and to assist in the learning process. So if you have questions about the grades, email me and I will discuss it with you. But all activities should be submitted. All activities should be submitted. This course is an introduction to logistics engineering. The course material will address the plan, implementation, and control of logistics not only at the organizational level but at the supply chain level or global level. It will address the design and development of the logistics system, the different components involved in designing the system, and the surrounding environment. In this course, students will be able to identify and analyze logistics systems component based on the logistics definition. They will be able to create a plan to implement and control an efficient flow of goods, services, and information in a logistics system. They will be able to design and develop a reliable organizational logistics system. They will be able to compare and differentiate between supply chains and logistics systems. They will be able to propose engineering and problem-solving methods to optimize the organization and supply chain logistics. To achieve course objectives, the course will cover an introduction to logistics, which will include logistics system definition, components, and history. We will have a comparison between supply chain and logistics system to understand the difference between these two concepts. We will address reliability, maintainability, and other concepts that will be related to logistics. And then we will identify some of the measures used to measure logistics and systems support. We will address logistics using a system engineering approach. We will address supportability analysis, the development for a logistics system, and the production under logistics or logistics in production, and then logistics in utilization, support, and retirement phase. That will be all for this session. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask using the provided channels. And again, for virtual, you can use Skype for Business, or Microsoft Teams. Thank you and have a great day.